This video is for my gorgeous brown-skinned girls. I'm about to give you the best glow-up tips for you. Any items mentioned will be linked in the description to save you time. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on some amazing glow-up tips. Let's start with one of the most important tips: armpit care. If dark armpits is something you want to get rid of, then stop shaving them. Shaving is still going to make your armpits look dark. Invest in a waxing kit. Waxing pulls the hairs from the roots, which will lighten the appearance of your armpits, and your hair won't grow back for 4 to 6 weeks. Follow the instructions on the waxing kit and look at video tutorials before doing it on yourself. If you still see some hyperpigmentation the next day, then mix lemon, baking soda, honey, and turmeric powder in a small bowl. Apply a small amount with gloves or a spoon, and wear an old tank top that you don't mind staining. Leave it on for 15 minutes, and then wipe off with a wet napkin. Apply this for 5 days, and you will see results. Repeat every other week to keep it from getting dark again. Store the mix in the fridge when you're not using it. Moving on to your face. Use vitamin C or niacinamide for dark spots. On top of that, eating fruits that are high in vitamin C can also help clear up dark spots. I also recommend the niacinamide for hyperpigmentation on your face. Let's not forget your eyebrows. Eyebrows will make or break your face. Shaping your eyebrows will give you a more clean look. Let's talk about body care. Exfoliating will make your skin look radiant. There are many ways that you can exfoliate. You can use a body scrub, a brush, or an exfoliating glove. Use a body oil to give your skin a glowing look. Sunscreen is very important. Brown skin needs sunscreen too. It will keep your skin safe from UV rays, which are dangerous for the skin. Moving on to makeup. When it comes to makeup, picking the right foundation is the most important part. Make sure you use a foundation that is your exact skin tone. If you pick one that is even a bit too light, it will make you look pale and washed out. On to hair care. If you're a brown girl with curly hair, then stop buying popular shampoos that you see others getting. Your hair needs more moisture, so you need to be buying shampoo for curly hair. If you're a brown girl with thick, straight hair, then you need shampoo with protein or keratin. If you want to learn more about your hair type and how to take better care of your hair, then watch the recommended video, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.